And start of our second game. Copy Mods versus Trollers. Second game, Copy Mods versus Trollers. Trollers, first spot. Gapray pa sila gulit. First spot. First five, talikod.
Talikod. 18, 7, 30. Ano nang isa? Tumalikod to, nakaitong. Number 5, ano ito isa?
Number 3. Number 3 na.
Oh, number 3. Sige na.
Shout out sa gwapuhon natin ng referee. Shout out kay Kyle Depalan, number 21 of Copy Mods. Grabe, may ka pa shout out na dayon kay Kyle ba? From Kendrick Rose Depalan, naridisa. Huwag pa sa later, pa sa masulod.
Layak ba? Again.
Rolly Haneo as our commentator. Tama ka na yan.
Dribble the ball. Utaman for 3, wala.
Rolly Haneo as our commentator. Rolly Haneo on the mic.
Jordan, wala.
Up!
Pasok. Tupayoma. Ayoma. Outside.
Shout out sa ating commentator, Rolly Haneo.
Nomor 18, dribble the ball. Umuran. Depalan, dribble the ball.
Kaya, nagali si Kyle gali oh. Huwag ko kita siya.
Jordan.
Kabungol ka mic ni Rolly oh.
Abraham, first personal foul. Di sana. 14, good for 2. Outside, Roberts ball.
Sa dinari ko subong sa Silay Public Plaza. First quarter pa lang kita. First quarter pa lang sang Copy Mods versus Trollers. Please like and follow Paulo Chonko on Facebook. Pa-follow na lang sa iya nga page. Thank you so much.
Numero 3, good for 2.
Ang score 4-2 for Trollers. Kyle Depalan on the ball. Up.
Foul. Number 25.
There's a foul. Makashot ka na si Depalan, mapuli na si JR. Hello, Tito Ryan Azuro from Richfit. Basket!
Good for 2.
Ang score 6-2 for Trollers. Kyle Depalan ang ina point guard, subo.
Paloma to Depalan. Depalan. And Asora. 7 minutes.
No, loss ba lang ang Copy Mods? 0 loss for Copy Mods and Trollers. One loss sila, no? Wala.
Rebound by Dipala. Took by Long.
Trollers versus Copimuts. Trollers versus Copimuts. Basket! Ang score 4-8 for Trollers. 3 points. Rebound again. Nice pass! Shout out kay Boss Boss Joey. Team Copimuts from Barangay 5, Russia. Shout out halin kay Jeps Rubio Villacampa. Oy, nice pass.
Good for 2. Numero 5 again. Timeout. Copimuts.
Timeout for 5 minutes 56. Timeout for Copimuts. Ang score 10-4 for Trollers. Copimuts undefeated. 0 loss.
Sino gusto mong matugdo sa para mag-suspend si JR Valencia?
Zero loss mga mo, diba? Trollers? Zero loss mga mo, no? Zero loss ka mo.
Nakapeng. May back.
Okay. Both teams, 0 losses. Rigid. Nakita na rigid sila. Both teams, 0 loss. So, Johnny.
Bisana.
Sino kaya? Rebound.
The ball.
Rebound for Trollers. Shout out sa ex ko. Sana buhay ka pa. From Jesse Azura. Shout out sa ex ni Jesse Azura. Kabay, buhay ka pa kuno. Nag-deliver and there's a block.
Dalawang goal. 5 minutes.
5 minutes remaining on our first quarter. Shout out ko no kay Dipalan. Shoot ka man kay Mapuli na si JR.
James out. Rebound. Kapagwa mo na si JR.
Uy!
14.
Out of bounds.
Ball. Set back 12.
3 points. Basket!
Come on for 3.
7-10 ang score. 7-10 for Trollers. Shout out ulit Lodi. Copimuts up from Jogoy Milan. Shout out da sa imo. 2 points. Long 2. Out of bounds. Shout out sa referee kay Jake Andrada from Bogart, Pasig City, from Renel Arazo. Shout out, ref. Sana all may fans. Renel Arazo. 3 points. Wala. Rebound. Pass. Yes, take a run. Up. Up. Copimuts kami, Lodi. Yes. Shout out sa mga team Copimuts from Jogoy Milan.
Numero 18. Good for 2.
James Yap kuno mo. Ang score 12-9 for Trollers. 11-12 ang score. 11-12 na. Shout out sa class ako, Brian Ibanez. Team Trollers from Emelman, Sergio Ibanez.
8, 7.
Wala ka sa kinalaran, wala kaya Rico Di Subong may commitment ko sa bowlers.
2 minutes 56.
Time out for Trollers. Ang coach ka Trollers, player ka bowlers.
Doon na sa nagampang, ano?
Oo. Huwag ma-coach na lang sa kono. Wala ko sa kinalaran kay Ari ko di sa Bowlers League. Monday, Wednesday lang ito available. Shout out kay Mosquera sa Punong Garis from Razel Villa-Alba, Becha Nova. Shout out da kay Mosquera of Punong Garis. Thank you so much also Punong Garis for supporting Bowlers League. Thank you so much, Gid. Basket. And abansi na ang Copy Mots. 13-12 ang score.
Di palan, shoot!
14. Numero 10. Tumatay. Out. 2:24.
2:20 up. There's a steal. And abansi naman ang Trollers. Nice steal for Trollers. 14-13 ang score for Trollers. Oh.
Wala.
Rebound for Copy Mots. And basket. Balik-balik lang ang abansi. 15-14. 15-14 ang score. 3 points, wala. Rebound for Copy Mots. And wala. And save the ball. Ayan na. And ball. Another steal. 3 points. And rebound for Trollers. Nice pass. Basket. Ang score 16-15 for Trollers. Shout out kay Kyle from Bibing Olvido, Coronica. Shout out kay Kyle. Kyle, damo di ka pa shout out sa imo, Kyle. Time out for Troller, for Copy Mots. Dito, Ray. Okay ka ba? 1 minute. 1 minute 8 seconds remaining. Madaan sa diin na. Ari ko sa Silay Public Plaza Covered Court. Ari kami sa plaza.
Pas.
1 minute 14.
3 points. Basket.
55.
Up. Foul by Kyle. 16-18 ang score for Copy Mots.
51 seconds. 51.
Ibanez on the free throw line, number 18. Basket.
That's one.
18-17 ang score. Ibanez again on the free throw line. And wala. Rebound by Copy Mots.
45.
45 seconds remaining
40.
on our first quarter.
Paloma Tobisana. Basket. 55. AK Gencia.
19-20 ang score. 19-20. Both teams 0 lost niya. Undefeated ang duwa ka teams.
15. For 3. Outside by numero 7. 11.
Tiranoy Kyle. Wala gan. Kasi JR mapuli. Nakuno ka makascore si Kyle. Si JR hindi ka puli. Eh, wala pang score si Kyle.
10. 9. 8. 7.
Wala.
5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Basket!
Pasa sa numero 18. AK James Yap.
James Yap, buzzer beater. Ang score end of our first quarter, 20-21 for Trollers. 20-21 ang score. End of our first quarter. I don't know.
Second quarter.
Second quarter players.
Talikod niya ngayon sa scorer. Ang second five. O talikod din, talikod.
Talikod ka mo daray.
Talikod ka mo din. O number 8. 58.
Isa pa ka 8.
6. 8. Anong isa?
7.
Sino isa?
7. 7 gano'n no?
Anong isa nyo?
Gano pa sang sapatos?
Ano number yan?
7 no? 7.
7.
Players, talikod ko mo diyan, sir. Talikod ko mo para makita sa officials. Please, talikod lang.
O 96. 7. 8. 17. Kagsipin tayo ni
Gawa ka naman si JR.
Sige.
Okay, hindi sa kapuli. Wala ka shot si Kyle. Kendrick Ruiz de Palan. Hindi sa kapuli kayo wala ka shot si Kyle. Oop! And uy! Traveling.
Traveling.
Oop! Traveling.
The basket. Traveling.
Both teams wala pa ni perde, no? 20-21 ang score, man gayapon. Oop!
10, 9, 8, 7,
3, long 2, wala. Uy! Nabuyan. Oop, there's a foul.
There's a foul. Number 7. Number 8.
Wala.
Too good.
Pulito on the free throw line. And wala man Japon. Rebound for Good evening. Ano na quarter? Second quarter of the game. I score 20-21 for Trollers. Second quarter.
14. 9, 8, 7, 6.
Wala. Rebound for Joey. And steal for Trollers. Uy! Wala man gyapon ka score ang duha ka teams. 20-21 sa gihapon. 3 points, medyo short. Atake, wala, and there's a foul.
The shots.
Espada on the free throw line. Number 28. For Copymots. Wales. 21 na. Kyle, hindi ka pulis. JR, wala ka pa ako nakashoot. JR.
Wow, wala daw sila. Dua bro to.
2 points.
22-21 ang score for Copymots. Abansay na ang Copymots.
Gusto itong ginawa.
3. Wala. Rebound for Joey.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Copymots ball.
(22-21) ang score. Nice pass.
Number 5.
24-21 for Copymots. And there's a steal.
7 minutes.
Sino pa saan?
For 10.
3 points. Wala. Rebound for Trollers. Up. Out of bounds. (24-21) ang score. Ulo! 3 points! Basket! Lo! 3 points ba?
Time out. Roller.
27-21 ang score for Copymots.
6 minutes, 23. Wala pa ito score ang Trollers sa second sa second quarter. 27-21. Shout out kay Chow Chow from Gian Tan. Shout out kay Chow Chow.
Paninguha kayo wala itong
Paninguha kay wala. Dungka. Basket!
3 points.
3 points! Nakascore man gid. Second quarter. 24-27 ang score for Copymots.
For 10.
Rebound for Trollers. Uy! Ball for Copymots. Ball for Trollers. Up. Kickball.
Kickball.
Watching from your back. Din. Shout out din. Yudzan Zinomio. Shout out. Arza sa likod ko. 3 points. Ball for Trollers. 3 points. Wala. Up.
Out of bounds.
27-24 in score. 5 time.
5 minutes, 23.
5:23 remaining second quarter. Basket for Copymots. 29-24.
5 minutes, 5.
Shout out kay Pasite number 8. And wala. Isa pa. Another try. Wala man diyapon. Rebound for Copymots. And out of bounds. Ball for Copymots.
10,
Oop.
9,
Shot clock. 9 seconds. Dili lang.
8,
3 points.
6,
Wala. Short. Ball for Trollers. And basket. Up.
foul,
There's a foul.
17,
31-24 score.
pivots, 4 sisi,
31-24.
time out, time out.
31-24 score for Copy Mots. Shout out Aryan Vince Nones, Chris Ray Bawam, Bibi Golfido, Veronica, John Ford Olikham, Ralph Alejandro, Kendrick Depalan, Jello Gornago, and sa tanan nga viewers naton. Shout out. 31-24 score for Copy Mots. At wala
Okay.
akong longgan.
10, 9, 8, 7,
There's a block. Out of bounds.
minutes 40.
Low. Out of bounds. Ball for Copy Mots. 31-24 ang score for Copy Mots. And still basket for Trollers. 26-31 na score.
3 minutes.
3 minutes remaining on our second quarter. And there's a steal.
For 10. 10, 9,
Oop!
8, 7, 6. 3 seconds violation.
3-second violation for Copy Mots.
Numero 7.
Oh! Kickball. Ging-kick mo man, Rap.
2:26.
31.
Bula.
Bula. 31-26 ang score for Copy Mots sa gihapon.
Martinez.
Wala. Rebound for Trollers.
Numero 27. Outside. Out of bounds. 31-26 in favor of Copy Mots. Two minutes.
2 minutes remaining on our second quarter. And another.
Numero 17. Martinez. To Jimenez. Out of bounds. 1:40. 1:40. Bullet pass.
Basket!
Basket.
Nice pass. 28-31 a score
28-31.
for Copy Mots. Visit ka mo sa Copy Mots. May free time ka mo on weekends. Ara sila sa Lantawan Road. After lang sa Rooster Cafe. 33-28 ang score. 3 points. Basket. 31-33 ang score.
50.
Hindi maglayo ay.
45-14.
31-33.
9 for the ball. 7, 6, 4, 3,
Sa block.
30.
Out of bounds.
29 seconds. 29. 14. The clock for 3.
29 seconds remaining on our second quarter.
Primero outside for Martinez. 10. Martinez.
3.
8.
Pass.
Basket. Bullet for 10. 18. 18.
35-31. Rolly Aneo as our commentator for tonight.
Numero 7 for the ball. 9, 8,
3 points. Wala.
5. The ball outside. 3 segundos. 3 seconds. 2, 1.
Volleyball.
35-31.
End of our second quarter. 35-31 a score for Copy Mots. Shout out Pasete number 8 from Gian Tan. Also, shout out kay Vice Tom, Councilor, and Councilor Penuela, Caporal Dan, for your support sa aton Ballers League. Shout out. Also kay Chaco. Shout out kay Vice Tom, Councilor Penuela, and Caporal Dan sa aton sa pag-support sa Ballers League. Thank you so much, kids, sa aton mga public servants. Thank you so much. Shout out kay Coco Astron sa scoreboard. Ayon, from Tito Ryan. Shout out Coco Astron from Tito Ryan Perono. Ang score 37-35 for Copy Mots. Ay, 31-35 gali. 31-35 gali. 31-35 for Copy Mots. Sabi ko 37. Shout out kay Bison, Councilor Penuela, and kay Caprol Dan sa pag-support sa Bowlers League. Thank you so much mga sir. Please also follow Paulo Chonko on Facebook para mandagin pin ko. Please follow na lang sa iya page. Thank you so much. Good sa ating followers. Third quarter na kita.
29, 26.
San Ohampang, San Save More sila madam. I-check nyo lang sa inyo. Team captains kaya maara sa GC. Gina-post ang schedule. Thank you, Red Jazz Aguilar.
Rollers, Daylan. 16. Daylan.
Talikod na na, talikod na na.
Talikod lang, talikod. 16, 23. Yo, duwa ka 16. 15 ka 13. O sige. Pula ka ng pivots. Open up ball. Start of the third quarter.
Start of our third quarter.
O Guarnela. Numero 8. Good for 2.
37-31 for Kopimot sa gihapon.
Maharapan, dribble the ball. Dominate Maharapan.
There's a block. Ball for Trollers. Up.
Foul, number 8.
There's a foul.
First personal foul. The 16 to number 16. 14.
Good eve po, ma'am. Ano na nga quarter? Third quarter of the game.
10. Good for 2.
For Rose Suico Morales. Third quarter na kita bago lang ka-start. 33-37 ang score for Kopimots. Both teams wala pa perde. Basket.
Good for 2.
Kagawad Moy.
39.
Number 13.
14.
3 points.
Ball.
Ball for Kopimots. 39-33 ang score. Out of bounds.
Outside.
Ay, ambot ka daw mo. Sapat-sapat. Pinatulang ulo.
14.
Kagawad Moy. Na-block. Na-steal. Ball for out of bounds.
Outside.
Ball for Kopimots. Ay, Kopimots for Trollers.
14.
Nice pass. Kagawad Moy. Torres. Wala. Overshoot.
Outside.
Kadamo. Sapat-sapat.
Bell. The clock 16.
Ano ganing next game, man? Rebound for Trollers.
7 minutes. Good for 2. Number 8, dribble the ball. Ubaksan, wala. Number 16, umatake. Copy Mods ball.
Shout out to our sponsors. Thank you so much for the support. Honorable Mayor Judith C. Gallego, Vice Tom Ledesma, Councilor Penuela, Councilor Maravilla, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, Team Paulo Chonco Organization, Caprol Dan, Silay Institute, Otsoy's Bistro, Chick Boys, thank you so much for the support. Mga sirs, thank you so much gid sa pag-support sa Ballers League. Thank you so much to all our sponsors. Salamat gid sa pag-support sang aton liga.
14.
Salamat sa pagsali.
10.
Ball for Trollers, Magyapon.
Good for 2.
Basket for Trollers. Gakamang niya ang mga sapat-sapat sa ulo ko.
Baharokan.
37-41 ang score.
Yornela to Cabal.
Basket.
Basket. Oh, violation.
Stepping on the line.
43-37 in favor of Pokemon.
Sa liwat, salamat sa amon mga sponsors. Thank you for the support. Honorable Mayor Judith C. Gallego, Vice Tom Ledesma, Councilor Noynoy Penuela, Councilor Mike Maravilla, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, Caprol Dan, Team Paulo Chonco Organization, Silay Institute, Otsoy's Bistro, and Chick Boys. Thank you so much gid sa pag-support sa Ballers League. Madamo gid nga salamat. And basket. Copy Mats. 45-37 na ang score for Copy Mats.
4 minutes, 50 goals. 45 in favor of Pokemon. 4, 54.
Saliwat, thank you so much among sponsors. Thank you for the support. Honorable Mayor Judith C. Gallego, Vice Tom Ledesma, Councilor Noynoy Penuela, Councilor Mike Maravilla, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, Caprol Dan, Team Paulo Chonco Organization, Silay Institute, Otsoy's Bistro, and Chick Boys. Madamo gid nga salamat sa suporta sa Ballers League. Thank you so much. Sa amon mga sponsors, thank you so much mga sir.
Ugoy, dribble the ball.
45-37 ang score.
Cathy Thompson, 14.
Copy Mods.
Outside.
Out of bounds.
Get that 12. Get back. Bob. Ugoy, wala. Rebound backdown. Ugoy, dribble the ball. Kamera ng press. Pasa. 3 points.
Basket, 3 points. Oh, yes. 48-37 ang score. For Copy Mods, 3 points. Basket.
3 points. 3 points.
40-48 ang score. For Copy Mods.
14.
Ball for Trollers. Basket. 42-48 ang score.
Cabal, dribble the ball. Cabal, tubak pa.
Ball for Trollers.
Ugoy. Umaatake.
There's a foul.
Maharakot. Number 20. 3 minutes 30. Chris Raita.
42-48 ang score. 3 points.
Quarter 3. Wala. Rebound by Scotty.
Basket, wala. And ball for Strollers, Mansagi Hapon. And there's a foul.
Foul. 15. Number 15. Scotty Thompson.
International ang players, wa?
Morocco. Good for 2. Dominic.
50-42 na ang score for Kopimots. Ball for Strollers.
Boy, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Rebound by Clavel. Numero 8.
Uy!
It's a block by Sanggalang.
There's a block.
16 shot clock.
It's a foul.
Foul. 13. 2 minutes 23. 2:23. Last one. The point. Let's get it there.
$42-52 na ang score.
14
Points.
3. Iba by Scotty. Sanggalang. 2 minutes. About Hoover 2. 42. 54. In favor of Cobima. 1:50. 1 minute and 50 seconds.
54-42 ang score for Kopimots.
14. Numero 29. 29. 1:39. Shot clock 14.
Uy!
10. No basket. Foul number 3. 3. Laban. Shot clock 14. 1 minute 32.
1 minute 32 seconds remaining on our third quarter. 42-54 ang score.
10, 9, 8, 7,
There's a
6,
block.
5, 4,
3 points.
go.
Ball for Kopimots.
1:15.
Strollers nag-attack. Pasa basket.
Kopimots.
Timeout for
1
Kopimots.
minute. 1 minute.
1 minute remaining on our third quarter. Ang score 44-54 for Kopimots. Shout out madam, shout out kay Vicente Ganar. Ara diday. minute remaining on our third quarter.
55. Back half. Good for 2. 50.
56-44 na ang score for Copy
45.
Mods.
40. Set left 14. Wala. 35. Maharokon! 30. Maharokon again. Good for 2.
Shout out, Madam,
25.
sa Team PMPC Live from the troops in DSB. Good evening, Madam.
20.
Good luck sa games sa Sunday against Stroller. Shout out, Sir Joshua.
15.
Jed Vaz, Calamba, Gonzaga. Mayang gabi lang daw sa mga PMPC Live.
9.
Para sa DSB.
7.
Uy!
5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
End of our third quarter. 44-58 ang score. 44-58 for Copy Mods. Shout out kay Mark Raven Sandia. Shout out Mark Raven. Thank you so much, Liwat, sa aton mga sponsors. Thank you for supporting Ballers League. Thank you so much, Honorable Mayor Judith C. Gallego, Vice Tom Ledesma, Councilor Penuela, Councilor Marvilla, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, Caporal Dan, Team Paulo Chanco Organization, Silay Institute, Otso's Bistro, and Chick Boys. Madamo nga salamat gid mga sir. Salamat gid sa pag-support sa Ballers League. Thank you so much. Ano next game? Next game.
Mabulang at ulit. Next game, hashtag versus Super Metro.
Next game, hashtag versus Super Metro Talisan.
Ang kupimot.
Wala pa ko gyapon kapanyapon ng apilang ko.
Kupimot.
It's our fourth quarter. Fourth quarter.
Diminsan yung pen.
44-58 ang score for Copy Mods. Uy. Pass. 46-58 ang score.
Number 6.
Ball for Trollers. 46-58 ang score for Copy Mods sa gihapon.
Numero 7 o numero 27.
3 points! 49-58 na ang score.
Martinez.
Wala pa ba niya pong pangapilang? Kapilang ang bumubuhay sa aking 3 points.
Dipala. Dribble the ball. To Martinez.
52-60 ang score. Ball for Trollers. Pass! 54-60 na rin ha. Galaot ang Trollers. 54-60 ang score. Uy! There's a block. And nagagaway. Ball for Trollers sa gihapon. Nice pass. $56-60 ang score. Kopimot sa gihapon. Apat na lang.
Apat.
Time out for Kopimots.
Walang muli nga.
Una po, kami may ampan sa gym mula referee. Hindi nga ganin, adlaw ko na ako tayo.
May birthday.
Ay, nagka-birthday. Hindi ka to ako birthday. Shout out sa cutie pie namon nga scorer nga rin sa akong tupad. Nga na birthday. Sa mga cute ko din nga mga tupad. At ang bulaga, ang bulaga. Ay, yan ang bula.
Wow.
Sir Sam, ilan ang bula yan? Sir Sam, nakakabala yung bula, Sir Sam. Wala.
Ibang guys naman. Martinez. Hussein Bayoma.
Uy!
No basket. Foul number 6.
No, may kalusot ka ba, no?
Foul number 6. Second personal foul. Technical. Technical ang bench.
Technical for the bench of Kopimots. Free throw for Trollers. $57. $57-60 ang score. Both teams 0 loss. Sino gidayan ang madaog? 3, wala. Basket for Trollers. 59-60 na score. Isa na lang.
Martinez dribble the ball. 14.
Uy!
Martinez, good for 2.
Dumatumba pa. 59-62 for Kopimots sa gyapon. Wala. Rebound for Kopimots. And 3 points. Wala. Ball.
Foul. Hey, sub.
59-62 ang score. Both teams 0 loss. Sinoy ha ng una. First loss man. $59-62. Basket! Wallace na score. 62 both teams. Wallace na.
Maharap.
Rebound for Trollers.
Maharba.
And steal. And nice block. Rebound.
Thompson! Foul. Number of Rest. Laban. Sub.
Wallace, 62 ang score.
62.
Oh, sab.
Time.
Sapa.
Sub.
Oh, sige.
Time.
Sleeping on the line. 7 minutes and 29 seconds. The remaining time.
7:29 remaining. Ay, di ng bola. Both teams, 62 ang score. 7:29 on our fourth quarter. There's a foul.
Foul.
Wala. Free throw
Last throw.
for Kobe Mots. Basket.
Last one.
63.
62, 63. River of Pokemon.
Seven minutes. 14.
Offensive foul.
Kalma. Nice pass. 65, 62.
Fernando Matane.
There's a foul.
Foul number 8.
Oh, penalty.
Penalty.
Dua. Next game, Hashtag versus
6 minutes, 38.
Super Metro Talisa.
Ah, another one. Free throw for Trollers.
Second throw,
Last
basket.
one.
63, 65.
63, 65. River of Pokemon.
And steal for
The
Trollers.
ball.
Basket. All teams 65 now. Wallace Liwat. Wallace 65 ang score.
14.
Foul.
There's a foul.
Last shot. 6 minutos. 6 minutes. Take. Third personal foul.
Shot.
65 all.
Last one.
Throw. Basket.
6 minutos.
Shout out sa asawa ko nga gwapa, Vanessa Rubio from Tata Rubio. Hello.
Basket again.
Sab.
Hindi na paglapta ha.
Sub. Sana. In. Numero 8. Out.
67, 65. Tapos, Super Metro Talisa.
14.
Next game, Super Metro versus
10. 9. 8.
kontra nila.
7. 6. Sab.
Sub. Bola pass. In.
Isa pa. Sab.
Sub.
O sige.
For 3. Martinez.
70, 65. Ga, hindi ka daga. Karoon lang ba na magtapos? There's a foul.
Foul number 8. Oh, penalty. 5-17. 5-17.
70, 65 ang score. Uy.
Withdraw. Wala. 65-70.
Kada mo, ano?
Second throw.
What's that?
66-70.
$66, 70 ang score.
14. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4
66,
minutes 50.
72.
66-70. 66-72. 14.
Nice pass up!
Martinez, dribble the ball. Martinez, tumera ng 3. Wala.
Ball for Trollers. Uy.
Last. By Gorel. Numero 8. 14.
There's a foul.
Oh, time out. Time out. The Trollers.
Magtapos na ang game, hashtag versus Super Metro Talisay. Karoon lang ang
4
magtapos.
minutes 3 seconds.
Lasig naman lang.
4-3.
Next game. Next game, hashtag versus Metro, Super Metro Talisay. Shout out pa da sa next game, hashtag team from John Michael. Next game sila, hashtag versus Super Metro Talisay.
4-3.
4 minutes and 3 seconds.
Mabutin si penalty. Last one.
Hashtag kay Moy Moy from Stephen Rames Vergara. Oh. 3 points.
3.50.
69,
69-73.
73 ang score.
3.40. Tres
69, 75.
14. Stop. 3.19.
69-75 ang score.
Shot clock 14.
Dira ka lang sa baba.
3.7. 14 shot clock.
Pila pa lang
Sara.
sa 8 pa lang sa. Pares
10.
pares na sa bata. O ba?
8. 3 minutes. Go for 2.
75, 77.
69-77.
a foul.
Foul.
Oh, time out.
Foul.
Copy bots.
Copy bots.
2:40. 2 minutes 40. Oh, why not time out? Copy bots.
Copy bots. Why na tayo mga ata?
2:40.
Oo.
Rollers. May isa.
Rollers.
Potenz penalty.
69-77 ang score.
2:40.
Sakit ng bulit. Gari lang. Kabudla, ito magpungko daan. God.
Rollers. Ball.
Penalty na, Potenz.
69-77. Basket. 70. Basket again.
Stop.
Kap Hensoy Dumin, madam. Shout out from hashtag Steam. From John Michael.
Aban. Hanaka.
Usap. Pasabila na.
Shout out, madam. Simo, idol, tagig ka mag-commentator. Takit sa Sunday. Buwangit. From Joshua Dreadbus, Calamba, Gonzaga.
Ara na, Sab.
Galawag na ko diya. Our next game, hashtag versus Super Metro Talisay. Our last game for tonight. May last game pa kita, so tanaw lang ka mo sa Ngapton Live. Thank you so much, everyone. Please follow nyo gali ang page ni Sir Paulo Chonko sa Facebook. Arda nakapin.
14.
Search nyo lang Paulo Chonko.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Nami on mo kayo sa Sunday. Mag-commentator sa amon, madam.
14.
Paano gilbigay mo comments, babe? Thank you, madam, from John Michael. No problem. Andy, shout out.
6.
Nice pass there sa block.
4 segundos. Sa top
4 seconds on the shot clock. Para sa gabamit.
3, 2, 1.
Shot clock violation. Sapa. Basket.
1 minute dito.
Good.
1:32.
Good na to kay na still.
1:30.
73-79. For Copy Mots. 1.
14. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Traveling.
Sab. 1 minute 9.
Substitution. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining on our fourth quarter. 73-79 ang score for Copy Mots.
One minute.
1 minute remaining. Uy.
55.
Papit ka sa Sunday, madam. Wala ko ka pa-picture.
45, 14.
Mapapicture ka mo sa ako, may sticker or hindi ka mag-post.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Ball for Troller.
23 seconds.
Right time. 3 seconds. Oh, time out, time out.
Time out for Trollers.
Pantay 3. 3. Oh.
Mag-face reveal si Pikachu 20 mil
Oh,
ba yan?
Hotel, Suena, time out. Hotel, penalty. Okay, mga tao.
20 mil ang face reveal ni Pikachu.
Thank you naman. Sa katulad sa
Mapapicture ka mo sa akon, hindi ko na pag-i-post. Or butangan ko sticker ang akong tsura.
oh, set back, Hotel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Pass! There's a foul.
Foul number 7. Isidro 19.
75-79 ang score. Next game, hashtag versus Super Metro Talisay. 81-75.
15.
Ay, wala.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Winner! Copy Mots! 75-81 ang score. 75-81. Next game, hashtag versus Super Metro Talisay. Ilawag ang best player. Best player, best player. What na ang best player of the game? Best player. Coach, okay na coach? Dami na tanin. Pata sa tutanin, coach. Coach, pata sa tutanin, coach. Best player of the game. Sir, best player.
No. Lihog kayo sa mga basura. Tata, lihog lang. Lihog lang sa basura. Kalap tayo station. Lihog lang, lihog lang.
Best player of the game. Number. It's ice flat.
Picture na kayo, picture. Rollers, rollers. Katungan na kayo. Rollers. Lihog na kayo kamataan na kayo. Pegad kayo na ano sila.
Bababa ka lang. Woo! Ariyo! Best rebel ni Madam.
Teka.
Best rebel ni Madam Pikachu.
Lihog, lihog ah. Pegad. Picture na kayo,
Si
picture.
Madam Pikachu na. Rebel ni Madam. Ipa-face reveals. Kung parso? Si Madam Pikachu. Si Madam Pikachu mo. Best player of the game,
of the game, number 3, Clavel. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Mari live lang ko for the next game. Thank you.